In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a custom page status in Confluence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add and customize page statuses to clearly show the progress of your documents and keep your team aligned. First, open the Confluence page where you want to add a custom status. If the page isn't already in edit mode, click Edit. Move your cursor near the top of the page, above or beside the page title, and click the Page Status option. If the page doesn't already have a status, select Add Status. In the status field, type the name of your custom status such as Draft, In Review, On Hold, Approved, or any label that matches your team's workflow. Next, choose a color for the status. For example, use yellow for work in progress, green for approved content, or red for blocked items. Color coding makes it easy for everyone to identify a page's status at a glance. Once you've entered the status name and selected a color, click Save or Apply. Your custom page status will appear at the top of the page. If the page is new or you've made other edits, click Publish to save all your changes. That's how to create a custom page status in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.